Made from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Don't mind us, just taking a little pit stop. Hey Billy, what's up?
Get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell, and I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They say no to sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sunrise, when the sun.
Well, we came to Paris, Arkansas, and their Eiffel Tower is pretty sad compared to Paris, Texas. And then Jamie was yelling at us for being in the way of the pictures, so, you know.
Going the wrong way. Oh.
What is, yeah, what, Chad, calm down.
Yeah, that is a huge Eiffel Tower.
Watch out, you're on camera, bro.
No cowboy hat.
Going to camera now. Oh.
Of course, David decides he's just gonna park out here in the street. He's old man. He doesn't care.
They're old enough to where they don't care.